Hello friends, I hope today you are well. Today I will make a tutorial where I will show you how you can create a dashboard. A dashboard in Power BI. A simple dashboard to impress your boss or to your manager. Basically what we will do, I will get a live data set which I found it on a link about coronavirus. We get that link and we connect to Power BI. Every day that will be refreshed, you have to click refresh. But we will use filters, we will use different charts, we will use let's say some trend lines and stuff like that, and some averages. We calculate some averages and stuff like that. Stay tuned and let's start doing that. Okay friends, so let's start doing this dashboard. So first we have the total deaths by location. So what we will do is we will let's say we will do this, we'll add this chart, and also we drag from there, we drag location first, so that will be the first one. We can location, we have the location first, and after that by deaths, total deaths. Okay. We can see that we have a lot of countries. We would just want, let's say, a top 10. So for that, we will use total death. So on the location, we go and we say top n locations. So we say top 10, and here we will add the total death. So we will select the top 10 location by total deaths. That's how we interpret this. And now we have this. Of course, we have to do a little bit manipulation on this. First thing will be, I'll take this part out. I'll add the labels. I want to see the labels, and we have the title. And I would love to add those, to take those out, the titles from the axis. I don't like them always. So what I will do, I will just remove them. Sometimes they are very useful, but I prefer to not add them. So title. Okay, so we have the first chart. Now we do the second one. Quite the same thing. This one is the total cases by location. So instead of having deaths, we'll add the cases. So we go back on our tab. Total cases. Perfect. Also, we want to check the filter here. So we will remove this from here and we'll add total cases because we want to see the top 10 by total cases. Okay. So we have the first two charts on this dashboard. So let's keep going on this. So we have the first two charts, and now let's do the other two and the other averages. So in the next one, we want to see the life expectancy by date. So what we do, I'll use this time the line trend, and I'll drag the dates on the axis. And I'll drag the life expectancy on the values. I want to see the average. So the average. So we don't have to calculate it manually because we have it already calculated. Also, I would like to match those. Perfect. And now here, I would love to have only the months for year, let's say 2020. Let's say from January, because from there we started with this pandemic thing, coronavirus. So what we do, we take the date and we drag to filters, and we will say here is, let's say, greater or equal to 2020. 2020. Perfect. So we can see now. I'll add some labels as well. And also I'll remove the titles. just do win some space, title, and also I would like to add the labels, data labels. So we can see in this chart that the average life expectancy was 77.7, and in the past 4 months, April, May, June, July, this decreased to 73.5. So it's quite a significant decrease. Now, what we want to do, the next chart will be new cases by date. So we drag the same chart. Instead of adding here the life expectancy, we get the new cases. And we just drag to values. So we can see that in June we had the highest increase of the new cases. Okay, perfect. So we have another 2 charts. And now, friends, let's do the last part of the dashboard, and that will be those averages. So we want to calculate average life expectancy, median age, population, GDP by capita, new deaths, and hospital beds. Okay, let's start doing that. So first we have to do the life expectancy. So I will have to drag this chart here. Okay, and I'll get the life expectancy. And I'll drag it in here, and I want to see the average for all of them. So the life expectancy average is 74.30. Okay. We do another one. And for this one we want the median age. Again, we want to see the average. 31.71 sounds right to me. Now the next one is what do we have there? Population. So we go and we replace population, and we want to see the average. Okay. The next one will be GDP by capita. Okay, I want to see the average as well. Next one is new deaths, and we have it in here, and we want to see the average. Okay, and the last one is hospital by beds, beds by hospital, and we want to see the average as well here. Okay, we arrange a little bit those to fit in our space. Just to make it a little bit clear. I think that's okay. And in this way, we have the dashboard, a simple dashboard created. So friends, we are at the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. In this way you can create a dashboard, a simple dashboard, and from there you can make complex as you wish. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please subscribe for the next videos and like. Thank you.